Hello, everyone, and welcome to my Insight Infinite channel. Today, I'm going to talk about some of the most amazing human missions that are happening or planned in the universe. These missions are exploring and expanding the frontiers of space and making our dreams come true. Let's get started. 1. ISS crew rotations. These are the regular flights that transport astronauts to and from the International Space Station, ISS, which is a large orbiting laboratory that hosts various experiments and activities. The ISS crew rotations are currently done by SpaceX's Crew Dragon and Russia's Soyuz spacecrafts. The Crew Dragon is a reusable spacecraft that can carry up to 7 astronauts and dock autonomously with the ISS. The Soyuz is a reliable spacecraft that can carry up to 3 astronauts and dock manually with the ISS. The ISS crew rotations allow different countries and organizations to send their representatives to the ISS and conduct scientific research, technological development, educational outreach, and cultural exchange. 2. Tiangong Space Station. This is China's space station project, which consists of a core module and 2 lab modules. The Tiangong Space Station will host various scientific and technological experiments, as well as international cooperation. The first crew to the Tiangong Space Station launched on June 17, 2021 on the Shenzhou 12 spacecraft. The Shenzhou 12 is a spacecraft that can carry up to 3 astronauts and dock with the Tiangong Space Station using a robotic arm. The crew will stay on the station for 3 months and perform various tasks, such as testing the station's systems, conducting experiments, and performing spacewalks. 3. Inspiration 4. This is the first all-civilian orbital spaceflight, which was organized by SpaceX and led by billionaire Jared Isaacman. The mission carried 4 crew members who were selected based on their personal stories and contributions to charitable causes. The mission launched on September 16, 2021 on the SpaceX Crew Dragon Resilient spacecraft and lasted for 3 days. The crew orbited the Earth at an altitude of about 575 kilometers, higher than the ISS and the Hubble Space Telescope. The crew also performed various experiments, such as measuring their vital signs, collecting blood samples, and testing cognitive functions. 4. Axiom Mission 1. This is the first private orbital spaceflight to the ISS, which is organized by Axiom Space and led by former NASA astronaut Michael Lopez Alegria. The mission will carry 4 crew members who are paying customers from different countries and backgrounds. The mission was scheduled to launch in April 2022 on the SpaceX Crew Dragon Endeavour spacecraft. The crew will spend 8 days on the ISS and participate in various activities, such as conducting experiments, enjoying the views, and interacting with the other astronauts. 5. Artemis Program. This is NASA's program to return humans to the Moon and establish a sustainable presence there. The program will use the Orion spacecraft and the Space Launch System rocket to send astronauts to lunar orbit and then to the lunar surface using a lander. The program also aims to send the first woman and the first person of color to the Moon. The first crewed flight of the Artemis program, Artemis II, is planned for 2023. The crew will fly around the Moon and test the Orion spacecraft systems and capabilities. 6. Dear Moon. This is a lunar tourism mission that is organized by Japanese billionaire Yusaku Maezawa and SpaceX. The mission will carry 8 crew members, including Maezawa and 7 artists from different fields, who will fly around the Moon on the SpaceX Starship spacecraft. The mission is expected to launch in 2023 and last for about 6 days. 7. Mars 1. This is a private project that aims to establish a permanent human settlement on Mars. The project plans to send several robotic missions to Mars to prepare the landing site and the habitat modules, followed by one-way human missions that will start in 2024. The project has selected 100 candidates from around the world who are willing to become the first Martians. 8. Blue Moon. This is a lunar lander that is developed by Blue Origin, the space company founded by Jeff Bezos. The lander is designed to deliver payloads and humans to the lunar surface, especially to the South Pole region where there is water, ice, and sunlight. The lander can also be used as a base or a rover for exploration. The lander is expected to launch in 2024 as part of NASA's Artemis program. 9. SpaceX Starship Lunar Mission. This is a private lunar mission that is organized by SpaceX and funded by Japanese billionaire Yusaku Maezawa. The mission will carry a crew of 10 to 12 people, including Maezawa and 8 artists from different fields, who will fly around the moon on the SpaceX Starship spacecraft. The mission is expected to launch in 2024 and last for about 6 days. 10. Mars 2020 Perseverance Rover. This is a robotic mission that landed on Mars on February 18, 2021. The rover is equipped with various instruments and tools to study the geology, climate, and habitability of Mars, as well as collect and store samples for future return to Earth. The rover also carries a small helicopter called Ingenuity, which has performed several flights on Mars. 11. SpaceX Crew Dragon. This is a reusable spacecraft that can carry up to 7 astronauts to and from the International Space Station, ISS. SpaceX has a contract with NASA to provide crew transportation services as part of the Commercial Crew Program. The first operational flight, Crew 1, launched on November 15, 2020 and returned on May 2, 2021. The second operational flight, Crew 2, was launched on April 23, 2021 and the third operational flight, Crew 3, scheduled October 31, 2021. 12. Virgin Galactic Unity 24. This is the fourth commercial spaceflight of Virgin Galactic, which aims to offer suborbital tourism flights to the edge of space. The mission will carry a crew of 6 people, including 2 pilots and 4 mission specialists. The mission will also carry a scientific payload for NASA and the Italian Air Force, as well as test new technologies for future space tourism flights. The launch was scheduled in October 6, 2021. 13. Starlab. This is a commercial space station project led by Voyager Space and Northrop Grumman. The project aims to provide a low-cost and flexible platform for scientific research, technology development, and commercial activities in low Earth orbit. The project will use Northrop Grumman's Cygnus cargo vehicle as the core module of the station, which will be upgraded with a fully autonomous docking system. The first Starlab mission is expected to launch in late 2023. These are some of the human missions in the universe that I wanted to share with you today. There are many more exciting and ambitious projects that are planned or ongoing in the space industry. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Kindly explore our playlist for more interesting stories. Thank you for watching and see you next time.